queens and kings, we made it. It's the end of the day. We're about to actually get ready to head to Roses, because I went there the other day when I had to do a quick little run, and I seen that they had some Christmas stuff that I want to pick up. They had some ornaments and stuff. You guys know I'm doing a royal blue, but honestly I really don't want to do royal blue no more. I want to do black. I actually want to change the colors in my house to black, honestly. I don't know, it's just something about like just that little modern glam look. You know, I just go back and looking at stuff that I don't did or whatever, and it just like it kept pulling at me like, I like the little clean look and everything. I don't know. The antennas are they're going, baby, they're going. But yeah, so after that I think we're gonna go to a pop shop to see what they have there, because I seen some stuff on TikTok. You know, TikTok always get you every now and then. It always pull you in, baby, like come on, you know you want to, and that's pretty much what I want to do. So I'm about to get ready to go there so I can get ahead of the traffic. Yeah, sorry about the car. It's the little slider. Slider need a whole lot of work. I need to get the Nissan fixed. It's like, ugh. But anyways, let's get ready to go, y'all. Let's go, because we're wasting time by sitting here. So I'm going to talk to y'all a little bit later, because I'm going to go talk to somebody else who can talk right back to me at this moment, not later. Okay? Love y'all, though. All right, y'all. Popshelf. I don't know why I keep calling Pop Shop. They got Christmas. They got Christmas. They got Christmas decor. the cleaning method in here too. We out of there, y'all. Let's go to HomeGoods. Look all the pillows. Oh, look at this green. This is pretty. I see why I'm about to pull it out, because it's about to fall. It's ugly. Now, how did this turn into a shop with me? Well, we ain't doing no shop. We doing some window shopping. That's what they call window shopping. Now we're gonna head on to Ross. I showed y'all what I could show y'all then, because we would get lost in HomeGoods, as well as what a store called Popshelf. That store don't remind me of what everybody else saying it remind them of pretty much like something like a Five Below, but it's a little bit upscale. They got a little bit more adultish type stuff in there compared to the Five Below. But we're gonna head to Ross now. Let's go window shopping Ross. Ooh, child, they got a line. We ain't gonna be here long at all. Not one bit. Yeah, Ross always have a line. Like, if you be in, you got to come early in the morning time to be in Ross. Oh, y'all look. Look what they have now. I like these. I ain't got nowhere to put them, so I'm not getting those. But look at this style too. Now we at damn Target. How did we get here? We're going to find this little viral wine that TikTok keep talking about. So hopefully it's actually something good. Let's go. All right. We're here. Let's see, can we find it? Dedicated. Do y'all see it? Do y'all see the wine? Right, y'all. No luck. No luck at all. Not one baller. Not the other baller, because it's two different kinds. They ain't had not one. So that means this store here just don't carry. All right, y'all. So here's the ones that I got from Roses. So I got two of these here. They all was $1.50. There we go. I think I was trying to show y'all in the store. So they shatterproof. I think I'm gonna get some more of these though. Because I was actually rushing, running my mouth, child. That's why I couldn't talk to y'all when I went in there. But I got, how many of these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I got 11 of them. And then I got all the big ones like this. Some of them's kind of like peeling off, but that's fine for me. I don't care. So I'll go back and try to see what they have any more. Probably in the next day or two. But yeah. All right, Queens and Kings. So I'm going to end this vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed spending the day with me, as well as doing some little shopping. Well, window shopping. But it doesn't matter. We went out, checked some stores out. They didn't have what we was looking for at the time. But it's okay. We'll go out another time. All right? All right. But anyways, Queens and Kings, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And remember, honey, your crowd may tilt, but a damn show won't fall. Bye-bye. I had a great day today. I'm happy. Thank you, Jesus.